My Latitude climbing sticks came in today. These things are crazy light. But I'm gonna make a video on putting the stealth strips on. So, go ahead and open this up. Get a knife. So, the video I watched said that you peel the end off here. And it should be the same length as the base. You start up top, make it even up top, and it'll go just like so. Flip it over, check that it's even. And then I'm going to cut out notches. Damn, this stuff's tough. Like that. Maybe scissors would have been better. One more. And then you just take it, fold it over, just like that. And then you take your excess pieces there and you just cut it right off. Just like that. Just like that. And then I'll flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. Come on. This one actually, I'm going to leave that whole. And I'm going to just cut this out. Yep, it's like a little slit. Like that. Those are slick. Crazy light. And there we go.